Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here is Cryptos, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to calculate your take profit and your stop loss using your Bybit app, right? But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you'll be the first person to get notified each time we post an important video like this. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's get started. Here is your Bybit app and you want to place a trade, right? You want to place a trade. Let's take for example, a signal has been sent to your Telegram channel and you want to place a trade. Let's take for example, let's place this limit order right here. So this is the limit order. You want price to reach here, then trigger. Let's take for example, you want to use $50 for this trade or $100 and 3x leverage. Your leverage is 3x leverage, right? You're using 3x leverage for this trade. So your take profit, which is on chart, your take profit 25%. You want to set your stop loss at 25% and you're using $100, remember, and your leverage is 3x leverage. Then your stop loss is 25% of that. So market stop loss order will be triggered when market price reaches 0.4283 USDT. Expected loss is $8.2908. You'll be losing $8.2908 if the trade goes against you. Now your take profit, you're putting it at 75% or 25%, whichever one you want to put it. Let's take for example, for this video we'll be using 75%. So you're using $100 and market take profit order will be triggered when market price reaches 0.2965 USDT. Expected profit is $24.9227. Alright, hope you're understanding. The same thing goes on and on if you're using $1, $50, and if you're changing the leverage, remember this is 3x leverage. If you're changing the leverage, that is how it increases. So you just calculate it. So this is how to calculate your take profit and your stop loss using 3x leverage on your Bybit app. So if you want to calculate it on other leverage, this is the same example you will follow. Alright, thank you for watching this short video. I hope you enjoy it. Do give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Link to our free Telegram channel will be in the description below if you want to check it out. We share free trade signals every single day. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.